scribbled your name on my Converse shoe. Like every dumb thing I always do, I act like I'm bored, like I don't care, but you're living rent-free in my head, I swear. I talk too fast, I joke too loud, I play it cool in a nervous crowd. I mess it up every time I try, but you still laugh, I don't know why. I don't got roses or a cliche plan, just a bad guitar and a worst time hand. If honesty scared you, I say it clean, I never meant more than what I made. Be my punk Valentine tonight, no fake romance, no candlelight, just fast hearts and a busted rhyme. Say you're mine just one damn time. Be my punk Valentine, okay, even if it blows up tomorrow day. I don't want forever, just right now. Scream it back, we'll figure it out. We burn too bright, we talk too late, we joke about love like it's second rate. I roll my eyes, I play it tough, but when you leave it hits me rough. Maybe this crashes, maybe it's dumb, maybe we're ghosts by the morning sun, but if this moment's all we find, I'll tattoo it deep in the back of my mind. Be my punk Valentine tonight, my slow dances, no fairy lights, just loud guitars and a crooked lime. Say you're mine just one more time.